In a gardener's world, there's one secret that is the key to healthy plants, and it lies beneath your feet. And what is this best-kept secret? Well, it's compost. Yes, you can find compost at any garden center, or you can make your own. It's easy and also friendly on your wallet. Composting should be on everyone's gardening to-do list as it nourishes the soil and reduces waste. That's right, by making your own compost with garden waste, vegetable and fruit scraps, coffee grounds, and even egg boxes, you will help reduce waste in our landfills. Once you've built up your compost heap with organic matter, adding a compost activator will give it a turbocharge. Compost activators speed up natural decomposition, enrich the soil naturally, and are non-toxic and biodegradable. Plus, they help reduce smelly odors and keep weeds and viruses at bay. Now, with all that decomposing matter, unwelcome guests like rats might like to pay your compost heap a visit. So use an eco solution which has a much lower risk of secondary poisoning, and it'll keep your compost heap eco-friendly. So go out, start composting those kitchen and garden scraps, and nurture your garden from the ground up.